guys, welcome back. This is Anya. If you are buying lithium battery for your electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle, for solar energy storage, upgrade power, or wholesale retail, today I'm showing you the new 2026 new CATL 103 ampere-hour high voltage lithium battery cell. Let's change the game. With a super wide voltage range, 2.5 voltage to 4.4 volt, way better than standard 2.75 voltage to 4.2 voltage NMC lithium battery. Let's break down why this battery is worth your money. Okay, let me show you the details of this type of battery cell. Firstly, let's talk about the big problem for the normal lithium battery. Most normal NMC lithium battery only work between 2.75 to 4.2 volts. They die faster in cold weather, can't hold full capacity and lose power way too easily. But for this brand new CATL 103 lithium battery cell, we widened the safe voltage window to 2.5 to 4.4 volts. That's just not a small number change. It means more usable energy, better low temperature performance, and a long cycle life for your battery pack. Let's go into the real advantage you actually care about. First, that is higher real usable capacity. By pushing the safe charge voltage up to 4.4 volts, the cell holds nearly 5% more energy than the standard 4.2 volt cell. Same size, same weight, more power. Perfect for the electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle, where every watt counts. Second, insane cold weather performance. Regular NMC lithium battery hit their cutoff voltage and shut down in low temperature, even if they still have power left. With a 2.5 volt low cutoff, the CATL 103 ampere-hour cell keeps discharging steadily in freezing conditions. No hidden power loss, no fake energy battery in winter. And the third, that is the discharge current. This is the NMC cell, and it is suitable for 4C fast charge. Yes, 4C fast charge. This is designed for the famous electric vehicle in China's market. It supports fast charge. But please kindly note, if you want to use the fast charge function, you need to make the cooling system for your battery pack. If you want to know the cooling system, you can contact with us, and I can recommend the professional cooling system factory for you for your project. And I know what you are thinking, that is CATL. Can I trust the quality? StarMax is a 10 years professional lithium battery supplier with the first CATL supply chain. Completely test report, CE, MSDS, UN34, all the export document certification. With stable wholesale stock, fast delivery, and professional after-sales support for battery system matching. Right now, we have stable stock for this new 103 lithium battery 4.4 high voltage cell with exclusive wholesale price for distributor and importers. No middleman, directly factory price, no MLQ, and both small trade orders or large bulk orders. If you are tired of the low quality of battery cell and that die fast or standard cell that cannot keep up with your power needs, like electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, this is upgrade you need. Except that, I also want to share with you guys this type of battery cell, the different design. That is, in the ordinary battery cell, standard battery cell, the anti-explosion valve is at the same side of the pole design. But for this type of cell, you can see the anti-explosion valve is on the button. Yes. And you guys may ask, what is the advantage for this anti-explosion valve on the button? That is, the battery cell assemble is like this way, one by one, on the electric vehicle And once they have problems, the anti-explosion valve is here, and it will left the battery cell. If you design it here, it is directly to the electric vehicle. This is the advantage. Okay, now this 103 ampere-hour lithium battery also on discount. If you want to know more details about the NMC lithium battery new version, new design, contact with us to get the latest quotation. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Senya. See you next video. Bye-bye.